Hello everyone, I am Walt here with part 86 of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. So, our 86th principle today is another one I would say is kind of controversial, just like for my own takes on it. This one is pleasure versus enjoyment. And his idea here is that pleasure is very basic kind of stuff for your almost base needs, as Epicurus would talk about it basically. That we have these very base needs to, like, eat and drink and do these kind of things that are just very kind of animalistic almost, that we're just living out those things and they're not really our highest, achievement. And then he says that we can do more important things than just like eat and drink and party. We should go after things that are great, like going after sailing or kayaking or, painting, playing a musical instrument, like, playing video games can even be defined this way if you're like trying to speed run them or accomplish a challenge, record them, whatever the case. There are a lot of things that we do for pleasure that are very just kind of dulling the mind, and things we do for enjoyment that are, boosting our mind a little bit above that. Now, I will say enjoyment is key, okay? You have to do things that are meaningful to you, not just your job kind of stuff, even if you love your job, but other hobbies that are really gonna boost your mood. I know plenty of people who don't know how to do that. They try to just turn to pleasure, and it doesn't work out. That said, some people have this opposite problem. I also know those people, and I think I kind of fall into that category a little bit more, of people who work themselves a little too hard on a lot of the stuff they're doing. They just push themselves to the limit, and they only go after the enjoyment kind of stuff, and they're not getting any pleasure because they're not taking enough time to relax and just watch a movie sometimes. Now, I don't think that that's most people. I think most people take maybe a little too much time and pleasure sometimes. They're just like, oh, instead of doing this, I'm gonna, just party. I'm just gonna have a bunch of drinks. I'm just gonna eat this food. Okay, the thing is, you need a balance of these things. You need to both have the great amount of pleasure, because pleasure is absolutely great in life, okay? Have a bunch of that, but also do things that are meaningful to you. Basically, just balance the equation here, okay? You don't want to slip too far to either side here, because both of them can be a problem. So go after both of these things, okay? Enjoy both of these things, and it'll all work out. Just don't say that one is bad and the other is good, because really, both of them are good in the right amount. Anyway, that's about it for this principle. I will see you guys next time with our next principle, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.